Hey everyone, I'm Mike from theparkprodigy.com, and on today's video we're going to break down and we are going to rank the scariest rides over at Universal Orlando. And of course, Universal Orlando is known for its thrill rides a little bit more so than over at Disney, right? And in our opinion, this is what is so amazing and why so many families are drawn over to Universal Orlando, because they know they're going to have an amazing time and they know they are going to get onto some of the scariest thrill rides in all of Orlando, right? So if you are in the process of planning a Universal Orlando trip, and you're trying to figure out exactly which rides you and your family would like to go on, just be sure to stick around until the end of this video. As always, I'm very excited, so let's go get started. Thank you all again so much for checking out this video. Like I said, we are about to break down really the 10 scariest rides at Universal Orlando. We're going to pretty much rank them between both Universal Studios Florida and over at Islands of Adventure. And we're going to give you essentially a scale, what we think it is, out of 10 with some additional tips and tricks along the way. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to start with number 10, and we are going to start with Skull Island Reign of Kong. Now, essentially, this is a 4D motion simulation ride, and it does have a height requirement of 36 inches, where guests can take a journey into the unknown of a jungle expedition on a mysterious island. Now, you can ride along a trackless expedition truck through temples, jungles, caves, and fight off prehistoric predators throughout this entire ride. In my honest opinion, if you haven't been to Universal Orlando in a while and you remember Universal Orlando from back in the 90s, this ride does not even come close to the original King Kong. That's a different video. This ride is over at Islands of Adventure Park. And essentially what we would say is on a thrill scale is going to be a 4 out of 10. Now, one of the things that we are not crazy about with this ride is that it can be a little overstimulating and cause motion sickness for those who are prone to that. But the problem with Universal in general, I'm starting this video out with a lot of problems. I promise you we'll get to the benefits. The problem with Universal, though, in general is that there are a lot of motion simulators. And so, this could just be a problem across the board, right? But this is just a little tip and trick. Just keep that in mind if you do have this on your hit list. So that is number 10. Moving over to number 9, and we do have Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. And speaking of motion simulators that might get you sick, please, please, please do your research on this ride before you get on it, especially if you do have any motion sickness. So what to expect with Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey? It is a 4D motion simulator ride on a track with a minimum height requirement of 48 inches. Now, guests will walk through the halls of Hogwarts Castle and enter the Forbidden Journey with Harry Potter and his friends throughout school grounds. Now, this is really the original, the OG Harry Potter ride. Right? This is going to be located in Islands of Adventure Park, Hogsmeade Village, and I would say, it's not a fast-moving ride, but there are certain parts of this ride where like your body is like fully almost upside down. It's hard for me to explain unless you've been on it. I would say, though, on a thrill scale, we are going to give this a 4.5 out of 10. And another little quick tip and trick is there is times throughout the year, or you can ask a team member if you do not want to go on this ride because you're worried about getting motion sickness. Just ask a team member if you'd be able to go and check out the queue, because the queue is inside Hogwarts Castle, and it's, in our opinion, it's really, really cool. All right, so moving over to number 8 of the best and the scariest rides over at Universal Orlando, and we do have Jurassic Park River Adventure. Now, this is a boat-type thrilling universal water ride that has a minimum height requirement of 42 inches. You will start off on this relaxing tour of Jurassic Park, traveling through a lagoon and seeing dinosaurs like Ultrasaurs, Hadrosaurs, and even a Stegosaurus. Now, one of the main reasons why this is on the list of thrill rides is because it does have a pretty significant drop at the end. And so for a lot of families, or just a lot of people in general, that could be, the bugaboo, or that could be something that scares them, right? This ride is going to be over at Islands of Adventure. We would say on a thrill scale, we're going to give this a 4 out of 10. Specifically, the really thrilling part is that drop. So keep that in mind. And another really important tip and trick for this ride is guests can get wet on this ride. Not soaked, but you will definitely get wet. And that's Jurassic Park River Adventure at number 8. Moving over to number 7, and this is a big one for all my Tower of Terror fans coming over from Disney and going to Universal for the day. We do have Dr. Doom's Fearful. Now, this is a drop tower type ride with a minimum height requirement of 52 inches. Guests can hop aboard Dr. Doom's invention as he uses fear to power his ultimate weapon of destruction. Now, Essentially what this is going to do is it's kind of going to, it's the reverse of Tower of Terror if you've ever been on that ride. It's going to launch you, just launch you really, really high into the air. And when you get up there, you are going to go airborne for, a second. It's really, really amazing. The other really cool thing that I do love about this ride is you'll have some really, really great views once you get up there. So if that sounds like something that you would enjoy, go and check out Dr. Doom's Fearful. This ride is going to be located in Marvel Superhero Island. And we would say on a thrill scale, we're going to say it is a 6.5 out of 10. Okay, so moving over to number 6, and we do have Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. Now, this is a 4D motion coaster simulator with a minimum height requirement of 42 inches. Guests can dive deep into the underground vaults of Gringotts Bank and escape the dangers of Lord Voldemort and Bellatrix as they attempt to stop you. Now, the cool thing about this ride is you really will experience drops, turns, screens, special effects, essentially everything that you could expect from a Harry Potter ride. And also similar to Forbidden Journey, the queue here, the where you wait to get onto this ride is simply amazing. They did such a good job with it. The attention to detail is like, nothing I've ever seen before. This is going to be over at Universal Studios Florida, specifically in Diagon Alley. And we would say on a thrill scale, this is going to be at a 6.5 out of 10. Okay, so we are halfway through the list of the 10 best scariest rides over at Universal Orlando. And if you are enjoying this video and you do want more videos just like this to get you ready for your Universal Orlando vacation, just be sure to subscribe to our channel as we have a lot more similar content coming out in the coming weeks. But back to the list, jumping in at number 5, we do have Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket. Now, this is one of my personal favorites over at the parks, and guests can enjoy an intense musical roller coaster with a minimum height requirement of 51 inches. So Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket is the tallest coaster at Universal Orlando and really deserves the spot where it's at. So with the highest drop of 167 feet, guests are plunged down a 90-degree angle drop, reaching the top speeds of 65 miles per hour. I would say the other, most terrifying part of this ride is actually them taking you up the lift, because normal roller coasters, when you go up the lift, it's kind of like rolling up a hill. It's hard for me to explain this, but you are on your back looking up. They're pretty much taking you straight up. Like I'm not going to stop explaining it, but going up to the drop is by far one of the scariest parts of this ride as well. So this ride is going to be located at Universal Studios Florida in Production Central, kind of located towards the front of the park. On a thrill scale, we would say it is a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, so moving over to number 4 of the scariest rides at Universal, and we have Revenge of the Mummy. So this is an immersive coaster with a minimum height requirement of 48 inches, and essentially minecarts appear to take guests into the mummy's tomb, where you immediately are warned about what is about to happen. Now, of course, as you can guess, as a coaster type ride, you can expect fast launches, quick turns, and a lot of surprises as you explore the ancient tomb. So this is located in Universal Studios Florida, and we would say on a thrill scale, this is going to be a 7 out of 10. Another little tip and trick for this ride is that you will have to put your items away, essentially no backpacks or anything like that. So just be sure to plan around that, and you'll give yourself a couple extra minutes when heading over to this ride. Okay, so now the fun is about to begin. As you guys can imagine, we are about to jump into some of the most thrilling rides, really the best coasters over at Universal Orlando. In at number 3, we do have the incredible Hulkcoaster. And so this coaster has a minimum height requirement of 54 inches, and essentially you are now a volunteer in a science experiment to undergo a blast of gamma radiation like Dr. Bruce Banner. Now, this Universal Studios thrill ride will launch guests at 67 miles per hour right into a zero gravity roll, keeping your heart racing throughout the entire ride. And this is going to be located over at Islands of Adventure Marble Superhero Island. Now, I would say out of all the rides on the list so far, this is the truest sense of a roller coaster to this point. And with that, does come, you're going to be tossed around a little bit, especially this ride because it's one of the older coasters in the park. It can give some guests headaches just because of how much they might be tossed around. However, though, on a thrill scale, it's up there and it makes sense. It is at an 8.5 out of 10. Okay, so moving over to number 2 on the list, and we do have one of my favorites, Hagrid's Magical Creatures, Motorbike Adventure. So this is an incredibly immersive coaster with a minimum height requirement of 48 inches. And there's so many reasons why this is, one of the scariest rides and one of the best rides over at Universal Orlando. But we would say Universal really did such a good job of really bringing in the theming of, Hogwarts grounds and really bringing in, taking guests to the Forbidden Journey in the movies and the books and all of that, right? But you'll see there's a couple of points throughout this ride, and I say a couple where you are going to be launched at high speeds, and specifically there's different points of the rides when you're going to hit dead ends, drops, all that stuff, right? This is such an amazing ride. And it will really keep you guessing. The first time you go on this ride, you're going to have no idea what is going on. And that is the beauty of it. And that's why it was so high at number 2. This ride is going to be located over at Islands of Adventure, Hogsmeade Village. Specifically, this is the Wizarding World of Harry Potter in Islands of Adventure. And from a thrill scale standpoint, we would say this is an 8.5 out of 10. And of course, a great tip and trick for this is if you can get on this ride with early park admission, be sure to use it and go and check this out during the early morning hours. Okay, so if you are familiar with Universal Orlando and we just went over number 2, you most likely know that coming in at number 1, the scariest ride at Universal is going to be the Jurassic World VelociCoaster. And this is one of the newest rides over at Universal Orlando, and guests can expect an intense launch coaster with a minimum height requirement of 51 inches. Now, you can feel the rush of the hunt as you ride and become the main course for velociraptors as you race through their enclosure. Now, the Jurassic World VelociCoaster is definitely the scariest ride at Universal Orlando, and it has 2 separate launches, with one of them going up to 70 miles per hour and a 140-foot drop, and even an inverted zero-gravity stall, which is absolutely insane. You really you're just floating there in the middle of the air. Again, this is going to be located over at Islands of Adventure Park, specifically the Jurassic Park section of that park, and on a thrill scale, 10 out of 10. And not many rides can get a 10 out of 10, but the Jurassic World VelociCoaster does get a 10 out of 10. I've spoken with so many families, and they're like, we went on this ride so many times during our vacation. And it makes complete sense to me because it really is so much fun. And I think the beauty of it, too, is, when we spoke about the Hulk, you don't really get tossed around that much, or the way that the harnesses are set up on this ride is your head isn't like hitting against the harness, back and forth. It's just such a chill, I wouldn't say chill, but it is a smooth ride compared to some of the other coasters. The roll is through the roof. Have to check this ride out if you are into roller coasters and if you're looking for the scariest rides at Universal Orlando. And that is the list, everyone, from 10 down to 1. Those are some of the most thrilling, scariest rides at Universal for your next family vacation. I really hope that you found this video helpful. I hope that it helped you create your list of exactly which rides you are trying to go on during your next family trip. And like I said, if you are in the process of planning a Universal Orlando vacation and you do need a little additional help, just be sure to go check out our website, theparkprodigy.com. I think that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all again so much for checking out this video. Until next time, I will talk to you soon.